What, Natalie? Mm-hmm. I see it. Watch Joey. Whoa. He hit it good, didn't he?
Mm-hmm. Who, Joey?
Yeah. Wow. He's crushing it.
I think he kills the ball. No. I really
Natalie, keep your hands down.
I really think he kills the ball. He kills the ball.
Get him, Joey. Get him.
Kill him.
Whoa.
Daddy, put it over here. Daddy, I can't really see it.
That's okay. You can see it after it's done. Just look at Joey. That's live. Look at Joey, Natalie. Not at the screen. Look at Joey.